Shailesh and you're watching PHP tutorials. Today we are going to see interfaces in PHP. In the previous chapter we have seen the abstract classes in PHP. Now the interfaces are very similar to these abstract classes only. Just go to this our programs list and the new file. Like in abstract classes we have seen that abstract class is having partially an abstract methods and partially full defined methods. But if you have all the methods as an abstract, so you can say that that abstract class as an interface. So let's just try to create one interface like RBI is an interface. And there is a class, abstract class, the name the same, bank. And the third one is class SBI. So this is an interface, abstract and class SBI. As abstract class is there bank, we can use extends keyword to get all the properties from this bank class, and implements keyword for any interface. So if you are dealing with interfaces, so you should use this implements keyword. Now just save this, and in the program all types I should select interface.php. so I'll just save it and refresh this. So interface is available over here and it is working fine. Now let's just see what is this interface. Now in the abstract class we have seen that we need to use that abstract keyword, but interface is already an abstract, so we don't need to use that keyword, and all the methods which we are going to use here we need to just declare them over here and not to define them. So public function and tags, this is the simple function tags which is available in interface RBI. Now in the bank we can write our own function, public function and deposit, echo br I am from bank deposit function. And here as I am using this implements RBI, that is nothing but interface I am implementing, so it is mandatory to define this method because we are using interfaces and implementing it in SBI. So RBI's bank is forcefully telling me that you should implement these tags methods. If you want to see, you can see class SBI contains one abstract method, that is nothing but this one. So SBI contains one abstract method and must therefore be declared abstract or implement the remaining methods tags. So I am going to just use this, copy and paste over here, and I should define this method, echo br I am from class SBI and interface RBI. So I just refresh this, so you can see it is working fine. Now if I want to use this, so SBI obj equals to new SBI and $SBI obj, and I can use this method tags and just run this. So it is running fine. And if I want to use another method which is coming from the class bank, so that also I can use a deposit method. Save this and run this, so you can see I am from bank deposit function. So this is the case of any interfaces in PHP. If you are using any interface, so it is mandatory to declare a function over there, and wherever you are implementing that interface you need to define that declared function from the interface. If I want to extend any class to the abstract class, so we can check that by using a simple class A. And what if I want to public function and fun A echo br and from fun a function. Fun a is a function of class a. Okay, so I'll just save it and let's see whether it is allowing me to extend any other class or not. So if I just refresh this, it is allowing me, so I can use that a class method over here also. $SBI obj arrow operator and just refresh this. So I can inherit any class to an abstract class. Now what if I want to add any interface to the another interface, whether it is possible or not? So b is an interface I am declaring over here, and public function fun b, and definition should not be here, just declaration should be here. And let's try to extend this with b, and if I just refresh this, so it is showing class SBI contains one abstract method. So I should define this method wherever I am implementing this RBI class, because RBI is extending b, so b's functions are available in RBI, and RBI we are implementing over here in SBI, so I should define that method over here. Echo br and I am from SBI fun b and interface b. So if I just refresh this, so it is working fine, and I want to use this function. If I want to call over here, so SBI underscore obj, sorry, I just duplicated it and refresh this. I am from SBI fun b and interface b. So you can extend any interface by another interface, and you can extend any class by another, any abstract class by another class also. Now I'll just try to with this abstract class. So it is showing apps, I should write abstract, not abstract. So if I just refresh this, so it is also working fine. So you can extend the functionality of any abstract class or any interface by using inheritance. So that's all about the basics of object-oriented programming. You can use it in your project, in your programs, whenever you need. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.